Dyknow blocking plans enable teachers to prevent off-task behavior and keep students focused and engaged while on their school devices. A blocking plan is a customized list of website URLs and/or computer applications that Dyknow teachers can enforce during a monitoring session to ensure students only access specific content on their devices. There are two blocking plan options for teachers: block only and allow only. Allow only blocking plans are restrictive. When an allow only blocking plan is enforced, students will be able to access only the website and applications selected by the teacher. All other websites and applications on the student device will be blocked. Allow only blocking plans are ideal for use during testing and direct instruction. Block only blocking plans are less restrictive. When a block only blocking plan is enforced, students will be able to access anything on their devices except the websites and applications selected by the teacher. Block only blocking plans are ideal for use during academic research and open lesson plans. To create a blocking plan, you click on the Blocking Plans tab at the top of your screen. Then you click Create New Plan. You'll have to choose what plan type you want, allow only or block only. Then create a name. I'm going to name this Allow Only Google. Then at the bottom, I'm going to type in google.com, then click Add Website. So for this plan, that means students would only be able to access Google while I have this blocking plan enabled. If this was a block only plan, students would be able to access everything except for Google. So then to finish creating this plan, I would click Save. And then I would see this plan listed in my blocking plans page. To edit this plan, you would press the pencil icon over at the side. To delete this plan, you would press the trash can icon right next to the pencil icon.